In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Shopify stores quickly and efficiently. Whether you're doing market research, looking for potential partners, or just curious about who's selling what on Shopify, you're in the right place. Let's dive in, shall we? First things first, we'll start by navigating to an everyday tool you're probably quite familiar with, Google. Yes, that's right. Our journey begins at the homepage of google.com. It's a tool we use almost daily, but today we'll be using it for a very specific purpose. Once you're on Google, your next step will be to search for a website called myip.ms. Just type myip.ms into the search bar. You might be wondering why myip.ms? Well, myip.ms is a powerful tool that allows you to view detailed information about IP addresses, including which websites are hosted on them. By leveraging this tool, we can uncover a list of Shopify stores based on their shared hosting IP. After hitting enter, you'll see the search results page. Among the top results, you should find the myip.ms website. Click on it to proceed. Now we're at the doorstep of finding a goldmine of Shopify stores. Next, there's a specific IP address you need to search for within myip.ms. This address is 2.3.227.38.0. This might look a bit technical, but here's the scoop. Shopify stores share a range of IP addresses, and 3.227.38.0 is one of them. By searching for this IP, we're essentially looking for a needle in a digital haystack that's going to lead us directly to a list of Shopify stores. So, type in 23.227.38.0 into the myip.ms search bar. The anticipation builds, right? Now take a moment, double check you've entered the IP correctly, and then hit enter. The website will now display information about this IP address, but we're not done yet. Your next move is to click on the link that says Other Sites on IP. This is where the magic happens. By clicking this link, you'll unveil a comprehensive list of Shopify stores using this IP address. You're now looking at a treasure trove of Shopify websites. It's a remarkable resource for anyone looking to explore the Shopify ecosystem, observe trends, identify niches, or check out the competition. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a bit of curiosity, you've successfully navigated your way to a vast list of Shopify stores. This method is not only quick but incredibly revealing, providing you with insights and access to a wide array of stores in the Shopify community. But before I let you go on this digital exploration spree, here are a few tips to keep in mind. 1. Practice responsible browsing. Remember, the information you find is for research and educational purposes. 2. Use this method as a starting point. Dive deeper into stores that catch your interest by visiting their sites, observing their layout, products, and marketing strategies. 3. Keep an eye out for trends. Identifying patterns among successful Shopify stores can offer valuable insights that could inform your own business strategies. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur scouting the competition, a market researcher gathering data, or simply curious about the Shopify landscape, this method offers a straightforward way to satisfy your curiosity and gather valuable information. And that's how you find Shopify stores using a simple Google search and the myip.ms tool. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Until next time, happy exploring.